Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Medicolegal importance of 21 years. According to 366B IPC, importing a girl less than 21 years from foreign country to India for illicit sexual intercourse is punishable with 10 years of imprisonment. So, according to 366B, importing a girl less than 21 years from a foreign country to India for illicit sexual intercourse is punishable up to 10 years of imprisonment. A minor who is under guardianship of the court attains majority or becomes a major at 21 years of age. This is Indian Majority Act.
thank you and thank you for watching.